नमस्कार, प्रणाम. Sri Devendra Fadnavis ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sri Eknath Shinde, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Srimati Sunetra Pawar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Professor Ram Shinde, Honorable Chairman of Legislative Council, Sri Anna Bhansode, Deputy Speaker Legislative Assembly, Sri Shaggan Bhujbal, Minister of Food and Civil Supplies, Sri Mangal Prabhat Lodha, Minister of Skill Development and Employment, Advocate Ashish Shelar, Minister of Information, Technology and Cultural Affairs, Sri Sanjay Shirsat, Minister of Social Justice, Sri Sanjay Rathod, Minister of Soil and Water Conservation, Srimati Ritu Taure, Mayor of Mumbai, MPs, MLA, Vedant, Dr. Rahul Bodhi Mahatero, President of Akhil Bharatiya Bhikkhu Sangh, Sri Bhimrao Ambedkar, Executive President of Bharatiya Buddha Mahasabha, Sri Andaraj Ambedkar, President of Buddha Jana Panchayat Samiti, Sri Rajesh Agarwal, Chief Secretary, Srimati Ashwini Bhide, Municipal Commissioner of Mumbai, Sri Sadanand Dhate, DGP Maharashtra Police, Sri Deven Bharati, Commissioner of Police Mumbai, Sri Prashant Navarane, Secretary to the Governor, Sri Naksen Kamble, General Secretary Coordination Committee, brothers and sisters. At the outset, I bow in the reverence of Bharat Ratna, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar on the occasion of his birth anniversary. I congratulate Government of Maharashtra, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation BMC, the State Police, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Samiti, and all the organizers for the meticulous arrangement made for this important occasion. For millions of Dalits and other marginalized communities, Dr. Ambedkar remains a symbol of hope, dignity and social justice. Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar was a multifaceted personality. He was a jurist, scholar, journalist, educationist, social reformer and visionary statesman. His contributions to the making of modern India are both unparalleled and timeless. It is noteworthy that while many of our neighboring countries, smaller in both area and population, have struggled with the stability of democratic governance, Bharat has remained a robust and vibrant democracy since attaining independence. This remarkable continuity is largely due to the strong constitutional foundation laid down by Dr. Ambedkar. Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar regarded education as the most potent tool for liberation. He overcame several social discrimination to pursue higher studies at prestigious institutions like Columbia University and London School of Economics. He supported the establishment of colleges and universities that would cater to socially and economically disadvantaged students. He himself established the People's Education Society in 1945, which continues to carry forward his legacy by promoting education among the weaker sections of society. As chairman of the drafting committee, he ensured constitutional provisions such as fundamental rights, abolition of untouchability, and affirmative action, reservations for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Dr. Ambedkar was also a pioneer of gender equality. He championed women's rights, advocating for equal opportunities in education, property, and personal freedoms. Thanks to him, Bharat granted equal voting rights to women from day one of our becoming a republic. I am pleased to learn about the progress of constructing the grand memorial dedicated to Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar at the neighboring Hindu Mill compound. I am confident that this memorial will stand as a beacon of inspiration for generations of students, youth and citizens alike. This year marks the beginning of the centenary year of the Mahad water tank Satyagraha, led by Dr. Ambedkar We must use this occasion to strive for creating a society free of casteism and caste discrimination. With these words, I pay my respects to Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar on his birth anniversary and convey my appreciation to all those who have worked tirelessly to organize this grand event. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bharat. Namaskar.